Hey guys, so today I'm gonna tell you that how to get free cubes. Yes, you heard right, free cubes. So for that you need a cube, some kind of box. I'm using this NGC7 box. Take the cube, keep it somewhere and hide it in the box. And now count 3, 2, 1. After you have finished counting, just lift the box like this and you'll find a new cube. So as you can see, my 2x2 cube converted into a 3x3 cube. And do the same procedure for achieving even bigger cubes. So keep the cube like this here, cover it under a box, count 3, 2, 1, yo. And so I think our new cube is ready under the box. And yeah, it's ready. It's a 4x4 cube converted from a 3x3. And like this the cubes will increase their numbers. And if you want the previous number cube, means you want to again get back to the 3x3 or 2x2, leave this box aside. Now you have to use your hand here. You should have a hand and just beat the cube like this. 3, 2, no wait, you have to use your left hand, remember. 3, 2, 1, go. And here it is, cube ready, 3x3. So in this way you all can change your cubes for free and get new free cubes. So hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, share my channel. Also press the bell icon. Goodbye, take care, meet in the next video.